Welcome to Android Indian. Today, we're exploring the core upgrades of Android 16. It's faster, smarter, and more secure than ever. Performance and system optimization. Android 16 focuses heavily on system efficiency. Faster app launch times, improved memory and CPU management, better background process handling, reduced battery consumption for long-running apps. These improvements ensure smoother performance, especially on low memory and mid-range devices. AI-driven system intelligence. Android 16 brings deeper AI integration across the OS. Key enhancements include smarter app predictions, context-aware suggestions, improved voice recognition, on-device AI processing for better privacy. AI now works more locally on the device, reducing dependency on cloud processing and improving speed and security. Enhanced privacy and security is a major focus in Android 16. New and improved features include stronger permission controls, more visibility into background data usage, enhanced sandboxing for apps, improved malware and phishing protection. Users get more control over what apps can access, and developers must follow stricter security policies. UI and UX improvements. Android 16 improves the overall user interface and experience. Expected updates. Smoother animations. More consistent material design behavior. Better gesture navigation. Improved accessibility features. The UI is optimized for large screens, foldables, and tablets, offering better multi-window and multitasking support. Developer-focused enhancements. Android 16 introduces new APIs and tools for developers. Highlights include improved lifecycle handling, better background task restrictions, advanced debugging and profiling tools, more efficient API behavior. These changes help developers build stable, scalable, and high-performance apps. Connectivity and device integration. Android 16 enhances connectivity across devices. Improvements include better Bluetooth stability, smarter Wi-Fi switching, faster device pairing, improved cross-device experiences. Android now works more seamlessly across phones, tablets, smart TVs, cars, and wearables. Battery and power management. Battery efficiency is further refined in Android 16. Key updates. Smarter background execution limits, better idle mode behavior, AI-based power usage optimization. Apps consume less power while delivering better performance. Conclusion. Android 16 continues Android's vision of a secure, intelligent, and adaptable operating system. With improved performance, AI integration, stronger privacy, and better developer tools, Android 16 sets the foundation for the next generation of smart devices. Subscribe to Android Indian for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.